Hey guys, Bleach here. Not sure if you remembered my video when I put bunk connectors on these wires. Right now we're going to try and solder them with some resin and some heat shrink stuff. And hopefully it works out. This cord got damaged. I ran it over with the vacuum cleaner. But yeah, this was for these are the big pieces, like for the whole electrical cord. And I'll go through the process of watching this. I watched many videos on how to do this. I should be able to get it right. Alright, let's get to it. You generally want to do stuff on a picnic table that's not level, and last time I was using this soldering iron, it was plastic welding and lawnmower projects. Got it in this little starter cup here. It doesn't set the picnic table on fire. Watch it just roll right off there. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Well, first we'll put some heat shrink taping on there. Cut it. Guess I'll use one piece. Generally want to do this on a windy day so things blow away. Got a lighter here. I don't have a hairdryer thing. Let's do it with a lighter. And, okay, this is good enough. This piece would be good enough for what I'm doing, I hope. Guess I'll put it on this piece right here. Hope you can see me okay. Not too bad. I tried. Put that over there. I got this heat shrinking stuff at Lowe's and the solder at Lowe's. Alright, let's get to it. I've never done this before, so I'm just winging it and hoping it would work. You generally want to splay these wires, but they're kind of got glue in them from electrical tape, so we're gonna just do the best we can. I gotta get this soldering iron out of the way. Some hair and stuff on it. Doggy hair. You can twist these wires, you can brace them, you can go like that with them. I gotta put a heat shrink onto the wires too, I forgot about that. Hopefully I don't melt it with the soldering iron prematurely. Just cut one piece. Oh my god, it's the same size as the other I have. Not really, but just about. Okay. Right there. And you generally just want to sling it across into the dehumidifer until it falls on the ground. Alright. One's on there. Another piece. I'm going to use these on the lawnmowers too when I do my Snapper LT11 diode. This is going to be pretty awesome, guys, when it's done. Alright, now the black wire. Alright, probably should have put it onto this one, but same point. Alright, slide it all the way to the side. I'm going to take this wire right here and try to connect these. And I should have like a thing to lift the solder onto, but this will be good enough for what I'm doing, hopefully. Light to light. You can just go like this, guys, and twist them together. I'm going to do these wires one at a time, and so I keep them away from the other wires, and of course it doesn't all go together. This is great. Alright, let's do this. Nothing's working I'm trying to do, guys. Good. This is awful, but we'll make it. Probably doing it backwards, guys, but whatever works. There we go. wires are too gluey from the electrical type. Let's do this one now. Both it's even together. It's just awesome. My soldering iron's on fire, I believe. I'll just leave it like that. It's not very together good, but once I put the solder, it'll work. Just heat the wire up underneath. A few minutes. Solder there. Maybe one of the animals unplugged my soldering gun. It seemed to be working. Alright guys, we're back. I got the black wire done. I guess my soldering iron wasn't hot enough. Or it was dirty or something. Flip this over. One pair of thing of heat shrink didn't work, but it shouldn't matter once I get the big tube on there. As long as the wires don't touch. Flip this wire over. I'll get out of the way. Not the best at this. It's probably not safe to do that. It was working a minute ago. Oh, make a liar out of me. It's hot and heating up and working. But, watch a different video, guys. Mine's not the best. At least it's something. I'm no professional by any means. I'm just trying to make solid leads. And the wire just came apart, I think. Yeah. Very good. Putting too much solder in there. I'm gonna go back to my electronics teacher and be like, what have you done? Took electronics back in high school. Failed the class. As you can tell. Not sure if you can see me or not. Alright, put the heat shrink on. Guess that's good enough. It's not the best, but it's good. Trying to burn myself. I think my lighter's out of juice. That's just awesome. Alright, good enough. It's on there. It's tight. A little more. And we're just going to leave. Do a very unprofessional job. Alright. We're live here. We're live here. Let's do the green one. Oh yeah. I'm gonna... It's the wrong one. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just hoping for the best. Probably gonna wrap electrical tape around those wires to be safe. I guess it'll work. I'll just leave it. Probably get chewed out by the guys on my channel that watch this and know what I'm doing. Or know what they're doing, not know what I'm doing. And it just came apart. This is just awesome. I can't do this. I'm gonna stop it here, guys. Guys, we're back. I got the green one together. I guess to do the other side. And I'll get better at this as I go along. I'm gonna do it again. Let's do it here. Couldn't see or couldn't see. Just my soldering iron wasn't hot enough in the beginning of the video to do this. This one's a little better than the other one. It's getting better. There you go. I couldn't get it to work with the heated up wire method. It's together. Maybe not. Son of a gun. Need more on there, guys. I'm paying attention. Hearing Mark Mason on my Facebook, if he sees this, he's gonna be like, what the heck? He hears old radios all the time. Who knows if he watches my videos? It's good to always breathe in the smoke. Oh God, it's not working. Roll that piece out of there. Let's spread it around. There we go. Alright. I do not like doing this, guys. I'm not the best. I usually got on there the longest. Yeah, this is a hole. A little more over here. There. Alright, that's right. See what we got here. Yep, downhill, going downhill, and stuff be falling. That looks like shit, guys. Let me get this excess solder off here. Spread it on the wire. Bolt it onto there. Get it on my finger. There we go. That's better. Alright. Alright, guys. No, I think that's better. I'm gonna get that piece off there. Put it off. There. Let the heat shrink on it and do your very unprofessional job. The heat shrink won't fit on there. And it shrank a bit. Some. In the heat, it shrank. Perfect shoe. Trying to break that piece off there, guys, with a soldering iron. The heat shrink can go on there if it'll even fit now because I shrank it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, frigged up. I'm really frigged up, guys. It just goes like this. So it completely melts into the wire. They're not so nice and shiny. There it is. Myself. And it's cutting into the heat shrink altogether. Well, I tried and I failed, and yeah, thought this is gonna work. Do the heat shrink like I'm rolling a joint, guys. You can tell what a comedian I am. This looks like shit, guys. The piece came up. I'm gonna go get some electrical tape. I think it's good enough, guys. What a fucking joke. I think I'm getting high off the copper fumes. I'll be back, guys. Gonna get some electrical tape. Alright, guys. Looks like you saw none of what I was doing. That's just awesome. Basically, the heat shrink tubing failed, and we gotta get ourselves some electrical tape. This big piece should go on there. Let's see how we'll mess that up. I think I'm a little wacko on the solder fumes, guys. What do you think? Oh, there I am. Watch the wires come apart. I solder. That'll be the next thing, guys. That'll be the next thing. Yeah. Just want to shoddily tape the wires. What a mess I made. Don't follow my video, guys. Just watch it for a good laugh to see how someone can fail in electronics. You really want to put tape on there like this. My God, what a crappy video. Oh wow, this one looks good at least. I need a nap. I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing it. Alright, that's there. Look at a little bit of solder. Whee! Whee! I'm really embarrassed in this video, guys. That's why I'm laughing. What the hell did they do there? Oh my God. Oh. This is how to fix a cable and fail. Another piece of tape there. Look how I thought the heat sink was going to go on. I thought if I could split it, it would go on there. Now I know why I didn't go back to my electronics class. I was not good at it, guys. I wonder if any of this stuff can go back to the store. I may use it in the future when I get better. Jeez, little pieces of hair and stuff. Ouch, ouch. Getting attacked by mosquitoes, guys. Ooh, little goalie bits, yeah. Oh, this should work now, hopefully. This is... I hate my life. The freaking heat shrink won't fit out of there. We're gonna have to cut it off and waste money. I like I doing this. Yeah, you see something in a video. And, yeah. Oh God. Well, at least I soldered the ends. That's something that shouldn't come apart. I am getting attacked by mosquitoes. Oh God, I gotta pick up my mess. Well, I watched so many videos, maybe it messed me up, guys. Watch it not work afterward. Moped going by. Oh God. I hope I never have to do this again. I chewed it up in the vacuum cleaner, this cord. Oh God. What a mess I made, guys. What a mess I made. Now you know why the real lawnmowers don't work half the time. Because my hands touch them. Everything I touch turns to shit. There, I curse you to turn to shit. What a shitty job, guys. Alright. Good enough. Let's plug it in and see if it don't work. God darn it. I'm cursed, guys. I'm cursed. Alright, we're gonna stop it here to see if it works. Seems to work, guys. It's blowing air out of there and stuff. Can't really hear it with the traffic. I think it works, guys. Oh God, guys, it works. Awesome. I just want to dehumidify the outside right now. Alright, guys. This video was a huge blunder, but at least I tried, and please comment and subscribe, guys. I'm off to take a nap. Peace, guys. Bye. There's the sun.